Nope.
Okay, but
Nope.
there's one thing I need to tell you.
What?
It's not yours. What if I told you it was a prank? Hey y'all, it's Abby and I'm back with another video. Today is gonna be different because I'm not back with a prank video today and I'm so sorry. It makes me so sad. But today I'm deciding to be nice. I don't wanna be hateful. However, Jay's probably gonna think that it's a prank. He's probably gonna think I'm being mean to him, but I'm not. This is like legit. This is real and he's going to like lose his mind. So I just got something in the mail and I wanted to show you what I got before I took it out to him. Y'all, for those of you who don't know what's in my hand right now, this is an iPhone 12, okay? Brand new iPhone. Jay has been wanting it for, since Apple announced, you know, this is the new iPhone that's coming out. This is what it does. Jay has been like dying to have it. So I pre-ordered it back like last week. Just came in the mail today and he is going to lose his mind when I take it out there to him. He has no idea that I have it. I'm telling y'all, like, comment down below actually. Y'all let me know if y'all think he's gonna like think I'm tricking him, pranking him, or if he's gonna like know that it's real. So I'm pretty sure his initial reaction is gonna be like, oh, that's so mean, why would you do that, blah, 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 blah. So let me know if y'all think he's gonna believe me or not. Go ahead and comment Team Abby down below because he has never done anything this nice for me. So, okay, maybe I'm lying. Maybe he has, but I'm just saying, instead of pranking him today, I'm gonna do something nice. So, I hope that makes up for the fact that he's not gonna be pranked. Y'all go ahead and like this video, subscribe to our channel if you have not already, and be ready to share it. Yeah, I think that's all I need to tell you. Let's get into it because I'm so excited to take it out there to him.
What's up?
I have something for you.
What? What is it?
Well, I can't tell you. It's a surprise. Guess.
What is it?
I can't tell you. I want you to guess. It's behind my back, and you're not allowed to know until you take 3 guesses.
Pair of shoes.
No.
A necklace.
No. Something that I know you've been wanting. And so I was like, guess I'll be nice. No.
I don't know.
Okay, sit up. Get yourself together.
What?
You're gonna need to gather yourself for this. I'm serious. Yeah, take a breather.
Okay.
Are you sure you're ready?
Yeah.
No, I'm serious.
Okay. Good.
Okay. Y'all, go ahead and ask him if he's ready. Y'all already know. They already know what it is.
Okay. Well.
I showed them before I came out here.
Okay. So you gonna keep talking or you gonna show me?
I don't know. I can't decide. I'm trying to decide if you deserve it or not. Do you think you deserve whatever it is?
I don't know.
You are the most boring. Oh my gosh.
Well, you can't tell them you got something for him and then trying to talk.
Okay. Do y'all think he's ready? I guess I'm gonna give it to him. Close your eyes. Okay. Put your phone down. I'm gonna place it in your hands, and before you open your eyes, you have to guess what you think it is.
Alright.
Okay. No peeking.
Alright.
Hold your hands out. Hold your hand out.
My hands are out.
Okay. What do you think it is?
Probably in a jar.
Open your eyes. I got you a candle.
Man.
I'm kidding. Okay, close your eyes for real. I'm gonna give you your real present. Sorry, I'm terrible at videoing. This is all over the place. Okay, now for real. Hands open. Don't look. Phil, what do you think it is?
What is this, some AirPods?
What is that? Your guess?
Yeah, AirPod, Apple Watch.
Okay. Open your eyes.
Bro, this is a joke. Come on, this is a joke. Trust me.
You think it's a joke? Why would I do that? This is not a joke. This is not a joke.
Let's go.
What are you doing? Where are you going?
Go, huh?
Where are you going?
What you mean where I'm going?
I didn't know what you were doing.
Oh.
Okay, but there's one thing I need to tell you.
What?
It's not yours.
Come on.
It's mine.
New phone, who this? What is it?
It's mine.
Nah.
I ordered that for me.
Nah, new phone, who this?
No, Jay. No, really. No, I ordered it for me.
What? It's in my hands now.
I'm kidding. I ordered it for you.
Stop playing.
Wait.
Stop.
I'm doing this sit by you. Can you believe it?
Can't believe what?
That I got you that new phone? Why are you getting away from me?
Oh, because you were just so close. I thought you were playing.
He can't even, y'all, he does not even know what to say. He's over here stumbling over his words. You thought I was kidding?
Yeah.
Why would I kid about that?
I don't know. The pranks, man, I can't,
What if I told you it was a prank?
What? It's a phone in there and it's mine. I don't know how to go get it back.
No, I'm kidding. That's for real. You messed my hair up. I can feel it.
Alright. That's what's up.
Ooh. Are you happy? We're gonna set it up like right now.
Y'all, new phone. Who is this? New phone. Who is this? Y'all see it? What they say? Hold on. Where it say? Let me see. Hold on. Put them right here. What they say right there? What they say right there? iPhone 12 Pro. Let's go.
Oh my
Let's
gosh.
go. Y'all see it, man. Ooh, okay. I gotta,
You're welcome.
I gotta go and set this up.
Has he said thank you?
Yeah, I already said thank you. That's what the hug and stuff was for. I'm telling you.
That's what the hug and stuff was for. Okay, verbally. Thank you? No, okay. I'm gonna take it away. I'm gonna be an Indian giver.
No, you can't.
Yo, he's dancing.
Hey,
Can you believe
y'all,
it?
Man, I needed this. I needed this.
Okay, so now since I bought you one, you're gonna buy me one, right?
I need
Wow! Jay! That's so rude. You just ignored my comment.
No! I really
Guess
did
I'm
need
not
this.
getting one.
I really did need this.
You did?
Yeah, but I heard it didn't come with the power brick, so we're gonna see when I open it, but
Whatever.
I needed this.
I'm so glad I could make you happy. You're welcome.
Mm-hmm. You welcome.
I'm welcome?
Yeah.
No, you say thank you.
Oh, okay.
If you don't say thank you, I'm really gonna return it.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. Okay. Now I'm sure we'll have some kind of video for y'all. Y'all.
Close it out, man. Shoot.
I'm sure he's gonna have a video coming about him opening this box.
Unboxing.
See, I told y'all, I knew it. I knew it was coming. Okay, so y'all stay tuned for that. I'm sure he's about to like rip into it now. So I better close this out so he can do whatever he wants to do. All right, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. It's Team Abby in the comments. I don't want to see any Team J's because I am a real one. Right.
Team J got the phone.
No. Okay, but Team Abby bought you the phone.
Jace.
That was really nice. Yeah, go ahead and tell them who they should. Come on, do the right thing.
Man, y'all just subscribe. That's all.
Okay, whatever. Anyways, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Share this video if I've not said that already. I cannot think of anything else to say. So we
are
gone.
peace.